The silent suffering of slouching, why good posture matters. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack on one shoulder all day. This is the strain bad posture puts on your body. Good posture isn't just about appearances, it's the foundation for a healthy and active life. Ignoring your posture can lead to aches, pains, and long-term health issues. Let's explore how to improve your posture and unlock a world of benefits.
Understanding bad posture more than just appearance. Bad posture is when your body is out of alignment. Instead of your spine being straight, it curves in unnatural ways. This happens when you slouch, hunch over, or crane your neck forward. These positions put stress on your muscles, joints, and ligaments. Over time, this strain can lead to pain, stiffness, and even injury. The domino effect, how poor posture impacts your health. The impact of poor posture extends far beyond just aches and pains. It can affect your breathing by compressing your lungs, leading to shortness of breath. Digestion can be compromised as your internal organs are squeezed. Headaches are common, stemming from muscle tension in your neck and shoulders. Poor posture can even negatively affect your mood and energy levels.
Spotting the slump, recognizing the signs of bad posture. Recognizing poor posture is the first step to correcting it. Do you find yourself frequently slouching or hunching your shoulders? Does your head jut forward when you stand or sit? Do you experience neck pain, back pain, or headaches? These are all telltale signs that your posture needs attention. Pay attention to how your body feels throughout the day.
Straighten up practical tips to improve your posture. In this section, we will explore some practical and easy-to-follow tips that can help you improve your posture significantly. Improving your posture is an ongoing process, but small changes can make a big difference. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can gradually develop better posture habits. Start by being mindful of your posture throughout the day. Whether you are walking, sitting, or standing, always check in with your body and make necessary adjustments. When standing, keep your shoulders relaxed and your weight balanced. Avoid slouching or leaning to one side. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, elongating your spine. When sitting, use a chair with good back support and keep your feet flat on the floor. Your knees should be at a right angle, and your hips should be level with or slightly higher than your knees. Regularly stretch your chest, neck, and back muscles. Incorporate exercises like shoulder rolls, neck stretches, and chest openers into your routine. These stretches can help relieve tension and improve your overall posture. Consider using ergonomic tools such as a standing desk or a lumbar support cushion. These tools can provide additional support and encourage better posture throughout the day. Be mindful of your posture while using electronic devices. Keep your screen at eye level and avoid hunching over. Take regular breaks to stand up, stretch, and reset your posture. Strengthening your core muscles can also support better posture. Incorporate exercises like planks, bridges, and yoga into your fitness routine to build a strong foundation for good posture. Finally, be cautious when carrying heavy bags or backpacks. Distribute the weight evenly and use both straps to avoid straining one side of your body. By following these practical tips, you can improve your posture and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more aligned body. Exercise your way to better posture. Strengthening your core. A strong core is essential for maintaining good posture and overall body stability. It acts as the central link in a chain connecting your upper and lower body. Targeted exercises can really strengthen the muscles that support your spine and improve your posture. These exercises not only help in reducing back pain but also enhance your balance and stability, making everyday activities easier and more efficient. Focus on core exercises like planks, bridges, and bird dog poses. Planks are excellent for engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, while bridges target your lower back and glutes. Bird dog poses, on the other hand, improve your balance and coordination. Wall stands and shoulder blade squeezes can help correct rounded shoulders. These exercises are particularly beneficial for those who spend long hours sitting at a desk, as they counteract the forward hunch that often develops. And don't forget, neck stretches and chin tucks can alleviate neck pain and improve head alignment. These simple movements can make a significant difference in reducing tension and preventing chronic pain. Oh, and remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that the exercises you choose are safe and effective for your specific needs. Taking this step can prevent injuries and help you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently.
Ergonomics. Adapting your workspace for optimal posture. Creating an ergonomic workspace is crucial for maintaining good posture. This not only helps in reducing strain on your body, but also enhances productivity and overall well-being. Adjust your chair and desk height so that your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle and your feet are flat on the floor. This alignment helps in reducing stress on your joints and muscles. Use a monitor stand to keep your screen at eye level. This prevents neck strain and encourages a neutral spine position, which is essential for long-term comfort. Take breaks to stand up, move around, and stretch. Regular movement helps in preventing stiffness and promotes better circulation, which is vital for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Consider using ergonomic accessories like a keyboard wrist rest or a standing desk converter. These tools can provide additional support and flexibility, making it easier to maintain good posture. Ensure your chair has proper lumbar support to maintain the natural curve of your spine. This can significantly reduce lower back pain and improve comfort. If your feet don't reach the floor comfortably, use a footrest. This helps in maintaining proper leg alignment and reduces pressure on your lower back. Use a headset for phone calls to avoid cradling the phone between your shoulder and ear, which can lead to neck and shoulder strain. Adjust the brightness and contrast of your screen to reduce eye strain. Proper lighting can make a significant difference in your comfort and productivity. Practice good posture while typing by keeping your wrists straight and your hands at or below elbow level. This helps in preventing repetitive strain injuries. By making these adjustments and incorporating ergonomic principles into your workspace, you can create a more comfortable and productive environment. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being.
Mindfulness and posture. The mind-body connection. Improving your posture is not just about physical adjustments. It also involves mindfulness. Pay attention to your body's alignment throughout the day. Notice when you're slouching or hunching over and gently correct your posture. Practice deep breathing exercises to release tension in your muscles. Cultivating body awareness can make a significant difference in your posture over time.
Stand tall, live well. Reaping the rewards of good posture. Good posture is an investment in your long-term health and well-being. It can reduce pain, improve breathing, boost energy levels, and even enhance your mood. By making conscious efforts to improve your posture, you're setting yourself up for a healthier, more comfortable, and confident life. Stand tall, live well, and enjoy the benefits of a body in alignment. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. Stay tuned for more informative videos.